Hello and welcome from the future. This is current Sammy doing a recording for a video that I made over the summer from past Sammy. In this video, I did a little tutorial of the Nyx Glazed and Confused eyeshadow pots. The two shades that I have are Dirty Talk, which is a plum color, and the shade Bad Blood, which is an ox blood color. So you can see from my poor swatches that they don't swatch that well. So it took a lot of building up in this video, but they did blend out pretty well, which was a good thing. I liked that they blended out well, so it was easy for me to copy the look. The look that I decided to try and copy was the actual look on the box. I don't think I did the best job, but I think I did a good enough job for my skills at the time and only using one color. It was also my first time using a gel formula eyeshadow, so it just took some getting used to. I started by going into the crease and just packing it in as much as I could and blending it out. And then as you see, I took a fluffy airbrush. This one is by Hourglass, and then I just took it along that top crease line and tried to blend it up into my brow bone area. Then just going back in with my blending brush, I just continued to build it up in the outer V and into the crease of my eye. Then taking a flat packing brush, I decided just to pack it all onto the lid, and then I just kept packing it on, sometimes using smudging motions, sometimes using packing motions. It was kind of hard because it kept getting patchy in areas, so I just had to really keep going back and forth. Even with blinking, it would just start like rubbing off on my lid. So it was a lot of going back and forth and just adding more and more. And now I'm just dragging it under my lash line and then just blending it up in there. Again, in my crease. My top crease, what am I talking about? I only have one crease. Oh well. I realized that laying down probably was not the best way to audio record this video because I probably sound really groggy. Sorry about that. Sorry if I sound really groggy. And now I'm just going to take this into my waterline. Let me tell you, once you put this into your waterline, it does not come out. I remember I had this stuff on for days. Like, it didn't stain my lids, but it was just stuck in like my waterline and my lash line for like a week. It was a real pain. Now I'm just going to quickly do my other eye and you'll see the whole thing go by much quicker, and this eye came out a lot better in the end. I didn't even realize till I was watching this video today that my left eye came out a lot better than my right eye. It was much more sharp. And here are the eyes done. Wow! Next, I'm gonna do my makeup really quick. And first, I'm just putting on some primer. This is a Smashbox primer. I believe it's the Radiance primer. I'm not too sure. I'll link it down below. And then I'm going in to my Born This Way foundation by Too Faced. And this is in the shade Almond. And I'm just gonna buff this out all over my face and neck. Don't forget your neck. I feel like this is one of the biggest problems for me because I have to blend it into my neck. So it's like I have to color match to my neck. I have so many pigments going on in my face. Next, I'm going in with concealer. I'm not too sure what concealer I used in this video. Not too sure. Do 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 do. And next I'm gonna use a contour stick by Fenty Beauty. I'll link this below as well. I really enjoy this contour stick. It blends really well. I think it's a good color for me. I have a hard time with warmer tones. Sometimes they make me look really orange, and I found, or at least contour, this works really well. Then I'm just baking my face really quick. This is a really awesome powder. It's like peach scented. I think it's by Skin Food. Yes, it's by Skin Food. Next I'm doing my brows really quick. This is one thing I think I've really improved on in the last 4 months, 5 months. I feel like I've gotten much better at my brows recently. It's just like the one thing I take a lot more time to do them than I used to do. Going back in, adding a little more red down under my lash line and in my inner corner. Adding some mascara, the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Using a highlighter by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And we're done. In here, I'm just gonna zhuzh up my hair. I'm gonna make it look all fluffy. Ooh, fun. Yes. Get that poofy hair, girl. And here's the look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!